only. Adi if you go with the true or false. If any one value is true, then automatically true. If you go with not to true, false. If you go with not false, true. These things you know. Yesterday also up to now. Here we completed. This is Boolean behavior. Now, yesterday I'm asking, anyone traced it? Non-Boolean types behaviors. Yesterday we did know some examples. I want to apply these and are not between the numbers like 10 and 20. The output is 20. Everybody knows about that. But how 20 is coming? That is the main thing here. Yes or no? If I am given 20 and 10, 10 only. If I am given 0 and 20, 0 we are getting it. So how it is working under operator between the non-Boolean values? Simple, sir. I will give 3 rules here. Okay. Do you know at the time of typecasting, bool function I explained. Typecasting functions 5 are there. What is the typecasting functions? Have you remembered? Integer ani, float, bool, complex, str. Now I am talking about the this one, Boolean. How Boolean is working? Bool means it will be only two answers, true and false only. How it is checking? 3 rules I am given in that day, bool function. What about those 3 rules? 0 means if conditioner. 0 means false. Non-zero means true. Empty string, false. These 3 I am given. Based on these, we are getting the outputs. Now, in case of non-zero, 0 means what it is? False. Non-zero, yeah, means true. And third one, empty. Empty string is always false. Remember these 3 rules, okay? Now, అంటే వాయిస్ ఎక్కువ వచ్చేస్తుంది అది సత్యనారాయణ. So, 0 meant for false, non-zero meant for true, empty string is always false. So, these 3 rules already you know. Now, this AND operator, how it is working means assume that X and Y you can consider. X and Y. What is X? What is Y? Assume 10 and 20 or 20 and 10, 0 and 10, 10 and 0. X may be anything, Y may be anything, any value you can consider. First you can check first values are true or false. Sir, if X evaluates to the false. Sir, how can I know X is true or false? Based on these 3 conditions. If X value 10, true or false? If X value 20, if X value 0, false. Decide the 3 rules. What is X? I will tell. In first case, what is the X? 10. Second case, what is the X? Third case, what is the X? 0. Ante you can get clarity. First case true, second case true, third case false. Okay. First of all, identify X is true na false. X is what it is, X value false. If it is false, okay, na, you have to return, what I have to return? X. Otherwise, you have to return what it is. Read the 27 line. Then you will get clarity. What I'm telling, if X is false, the output is X. If X is not false, then what is the result? Y. So you have 2 options. Are simple. Do you know C language or any language? If and else conditions are there. If one condition satisfied, if block executed. Not satisfied, then else part. Same here also. Same story is repeated here. Okay. Okay. So you have to check that if X evaluates false or not, you can check. How to check based on these three rules. Now you can go to the examples are 10 and 20. Based on this line number 27, you have to tell what is the output. First you can check X. X value 10. X is true na false? True. Once it is true means what is the output? Y. If X false then output is X. Otherwise Y only. X is returned only if X is true, right? Wrong. When X will return, if X is false, then only X will return. Otherwise, which value? Y value. So output is 20. Sir, now I need to ask about, sir, 20 and 10. 20 means true na false? True. First value true, what is the output? Second value 10 only. Now you can check, sir, 0 and 20. First value false or not? If first value false means what is the value? First value is 0. Now are you getting it? How it is working? So simple at the time of fund, you can blind logic is if first value is 0, then only first value. Otherwise, always second value only. Any number you can take. Okay. 1 and 20. First one 0 na? No. Second value. 2 and 30. 2 and 0. 0 only. Eప్పుడు first value? If first value is 0, then only 0. Otherwise, always second value. And read this one, then you will get clarity line number 27. First, you can check the first value is the false or not false. How to know, sir, means these three rules. Then you can decide X is the output. Otherwise, what is the output? Y. So take that one for non-Boolean types behavior. If the first argument is 0, then the result is 0. Otherwise, the result is Y. Online guys, everyone getting it? How non-Boolean behaviors? First, you can check that 0 means false, non-zero means true, empty string is false. X and Y, how it is working means I'm taking two values. X may be anything. It may be string or it may be integer, any value. First of all, you can check that first value is false or not false. If it is false, first value is your output, not true and false. If first value is not false, second value. Like that it is working, sir. Completed. So next one. X or Y. Sir, at the time of AND operator, I am checking X is false, then result is X, otherwise Y. At the time of OR operator, you have to check if X evaluates to true. Listen what it is opposite. If X is true, then result is X. If X is false, then result is Y. Then result is X, sir. Otherwise, result is Y. Read that one. Based on that, you have to tell the answer. 10. Yes, because here X value, what it is? 10. 10 means true na false? True. Sorry, if X is true, what is the result? X. If X is false, then only Y. So automatically, what is the result? 10. Now, 20 or 10? The result is 20. 0 or 20? 20 and only 20. 20, 20. I will execute. You have to check it, sir. Sir, 10 or 20. First one true. So first value. 0 or 20. First one false. So second one is the result 20. 20, 20 and anything. You have to, that's why I'm not mentioned here. Is it integer or float? Just I'm asking X is true na false. Bus. If I want to go 1.2 or 20.2, what is the output? 1.2. Because first one true or false, you can check it. The float, integer, string, I don't bother about that. True na false. Sir, sorry, ఇక్కడ 10 and 20 means 20. 0 and 20 means 10. 10 or 20 means 10, 0. Okay. I'm asking not 10. Not 10 ante 20. 10 means 0 na non-zero na? Non-zero. Non-zero means true. Not true means that is only result. Simple, any value you can check. That is true or false, you can check. Opposite you have to take. Ante not X. If X evaluates to the false, then the result is, what is the result? True. Otherwise, false. I'm asking not 10. 10 is true. Then automatically what it is? False. Not empty. Empty string means false. Not false means true. Check this. Not empty. ఇదిగోండి. What it is? True. Because empty string false. Not false means true. So that is and or not behavior of non-Boolean types. Can you repeat our condition? What is there in our condition? First you have to check the first value, x value. If it is true, then result is what it is, x. So I'm taking 10 and 20. So 10 means true or false? True. So non-zero means true. If first value true, then automatically what is the result? First value. That's why I'm getting 10. In the second case, 20 and 10. 20 is a non-zero. True. Condition satisfied. The result is x. What is the x value? 20. 0 or 20. First value what happened? False. Then automatically which value? Second value 20 came. Simple at the time of or if first value true, first value otherwise second value. Shubham. Sir, now everyone getting clarity how AND operator, OR operator, not working non-boolean. Sir, tell the answers now. First one, if I go with Mahesh and Sunny. Sunny పేరుండి Sunny. What is the output? Sunny. True anta. Sunny. Everyone favor to Sunny only. No one telling my surname because of Sunny dominating me. Oh, Python also telling Sunny name only. Python also favorite to Python also fan to the Sunny. Sir, here see, Mahesh means is it empty string, non-empty? Non-empty means it is not false, true. That's why second value. Sir, now empty and Sunny. Empty. Yes, because first value empty string means false. If first value is false means automatically what is the output? Empty only. Now, empty or Sunny. Now, Sunny. Sunny or empty. Sunny. Now, not Sunny. Then Bunny. Not Sunny means false because something string is there. True. Not true means false. Now, 10 or 10 by 0. 10 or 10 by 0. 10. No. 0 or 10 by 0. 0. ఇంజోడి 5.0 అంట. Sir, actually here 0 or 10 by 0 means what is the one? Second one will the output. So 10 by 0 means you will get 0 division error. Generally mathematics infinity something come. Here we are getting 0 division error. Main concept is the output is second value. Take these examples. We outputs examples. So that is the logical operators and are not everywhere applicable, not only booleans, non-booleans like integers, strings, everywhere we can apply. No problem. Anything you can use. Sir, fifth category. Bitwise operators, sir. Whatever bitwise operators are there. ఏంటిది బిట్వైజ్ ఆపరేటర్ పేర్లు తెలియవా బిట్వైజ్ అండ్ బిట్వైజ్ ఆర్ బిట్వైజ్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటది వాట్ ఇస్ ది సింబల్ ఎక్స్ఆర్ బిట్వైజ్ ఎక్స్ఆర్ సింబల్ ఇది నెగేషన్ నెగేషన్ బిట్వైజ్ నెగేషన్ ఇది ఆర్ సార్ ఇది బిట్వైజ్ అండ్ బిట్వైజ్ ఆర్ ఎక్స్ఆర్ బిట్వైజ్ నెగేషన్ ఇది డబల్ లెస్ దాన్ లెఫ్ట్ షిఫ్ట్ ఇది right shift operator. These are called as bitwise operators, but maximum 90% no use of this. I will explain one by one. So these are applicable where who came from any MCA or MSc background. There is one subject is there CO, computer organization is there. In that all are available these only ones and zeros. Logical gate something is there na, in that it is applicable there. Sir, and meant for, do you know how logical operate true and truth table something as them telling na true and true, true and false, false and true, false and false. Same like that. Observe the table is 0 and 0, 0 and 1. It's always talks about zeros and ones only, not numbers. 1 and 0. Last combination 1 and 1. Next 0 or 0. Just like normal true and false here also 0 or 1, sir. Next 1 or 0 combination. Next 1 or 1, sir. Next 0 x or 0, sir. 0 x or 1. 1 x or 0. 1 x or 1. Yeah. Now this one. Here what is the output? 0. Here 0. Here 0. 1. Last 1. These things you know. Yes. Here also stem repeated. 1. Sorry. 0. 1. 1. 1 only. ఇక్కడ 0. Here 1. Here 0. The logic is last one. If both bits are same, 0. If both bits are opposite, then 1. That is the rule here. Remember. Because if both are same, 0, 0, 0. 1 or 0, 0, 0 only. Because if both are same, 0, different bits are there, then it is 1. Where is the proof? Is going to execute it here. 0 and 0. 0 and 1. 1, sorry. 1 and 0. 1 and 1. Okay? Inka not required. 1 or 0. 0 or 1. 1 or 1. Only 0 or 0. Now X are doubt. 0. Both are same, not same? Same. Kabatti 0. Now both are same. 0 only. If bits are different, then 1. If bits are different, then 1. That is this table. What is this? XR. I will write it 1 minute. First one, this one. If both bits are 1, then only the result is 1. Otherwise, the result is 0, sir. Next symbol, R symbol. If at least one bit is 1, then result is 1. Otherwise, the result is 0, sir. When everyone asking this symbol, it is spelled as X R symbol. XR అయితే what is the behavior? If bits are different, then only yes, the result is 1. Yeah, the result is 0. One more is there. What it is? Yeah, how it is working? Bitwise complement operator, just like our లేదులేండి దానికి దీనికి కంపేర్ లేదు. నో నో నో, ఇది డిఫరెంట్ అసలు. బిట్ వైజ్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఆపరేటర్. Sir, zeros ones means everyone telling, okay, fine, I also accepted. Can I use these things on integers? Sir, first take that. After that, you have to tell, is it valid, invalid? What is the output? 4. 5 and 4. 5. ఏమండి 1. Sir, first take that, I will explain. It's about only zeros and ones. అంటే ఎర్రర్. Based on your answer, ఎర్రరే కదా మరి. నోనా సరే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద అవుట్పుట్? 4. మరి 5 అండ్ 4 నాకు తెలీదా, మరి ఇది ఎలా చెప్పావు? ఫాల్స్ అంట. వెరీ గుడ్. ఆన్లైన్ ఆన్సర్, ఆన్లైన్ ఆన్సర్. ఆదిత్య 4. ఎవ్రీవన్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్. శిల్ప 1. సోయం బాబు 5. సో ఇక్కడ 3 ఆన్సర్స్ కేమ్ సార్, 4, 5, 1. ఇన్ 3 ఆప్షన్స్ విచ్ ఇస్ ద కరెక్ట్ వన్? 4, 1. 5 సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి. ఎవరో ఒకరు 5 చెప్పారుగా. 4 ఏనా? 4 and 5. What is the output? 4. 5 and 4. 5. Very good boy. Complain boy. What is the output? 4 only. అంటే 4 and 5 అంటే 4, 5 and 4 అయితే 5. అయ్యో అయ్యో. 5. గాయత్రి. గుడ్ గాయత్రి. Sir, how it sir, how it is working means, first completed. Sir, first of all, don't take directly this 4 and 5, sir. Do you know integer to binary conversions? Yeah. Please tell the 4 equivalent binary number. 1, 0, 0. Can I explain how it is coming? Yes, sir. 4 divided with 2, man. Then what will happen? 4 divided with 2. 2 2s are 4, 0. Again divided with 2. 1 2s are 0. 1 0 0. Or 1 0 0 compare 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Then what is the value? 4 only. Now tell 5 ante 1 0 1. Divide with 2, you will get it. Okay, more explanation is not required. Yeah. Now, 100, 101. Which operator you are applying? And. అంటే bit by bit. 1 and 1. First bit left side. 1 and 1 and ఎంత? What is the output? 1. 0 and 0. 1 and 0. 0. 100 అంటే ఎంత? That is the result. మళ్ళీ చెప్పాలా? 4 equivalent, what is the binary number? 100. 5 equivalent binary number 101. You have to bit by bit 1 and 1 because which symbol I am using? And symbol kada. 1 and 1 ఎంత 1 0 and 0 అంటే ఇదిగోండి ఇలా 1 by 1 bit you can compare and symbol, then find out result. 1 and 1 1 0 and 0 0 1 and 0 ఎంత 0. How I am getting? ఇది ఆల్రెడీ ఇచ్చాను కదా టేబుల్. Then 100. 100 means 4. That is the result. Yes or no? 842. Yeah, same thing only. I'm telling 240, 241, 242, 243. You are telling 8421. Both are same only. Sir, based on this one, sir, 4 or 5. Here we get 5. Simple reason, check it, same calculations. 1 0 0 1 0 1. Apply R operator. 1 or 1, 0 or 0, 0 or 1, 101 and ఎంత? That is the result. Run this. 4 or 5. 5 came, not came. Ante first convert any number, convert to binary, apply bit by bit symbol. You will get the output. Based on this, tell this one 4x or 5. Now, 1. Okay. ఇంకా 4. XR symbol, that last one, check that, tell the answer. What is the output? 1 only. Yeah, sir, చూడండి 4 means 1 0 0 1 0 1. Apply XR symbol. 1 XR 1. If both bits are same అయితే 0 0 0 0. Both bits are different. 1 0 0 1 1. Go to here. Ask for XR 5, sir. What is that? 1. That is only. So many you can ask this question. Everyone telling invalid. But valid, invalid. Valid only. That number you have to convert to binary and apply this is symbols. Then automatically will get it. ఇది చెప్పండి anyone? Complement. Complement of 4. 3. Okay. His answer is 3. 3. ఇంకా 100 Anyone? He is telling 3. Any answers? -5. And then what is the output? Negation 4. 3. -5, -5, -5. All these people are executed. They are telling the answers. I know. The output is -5. How? Means you can consider negation of n. Any symbol you can take, sir. Negation of n means it will return, sorry, minus of n plus 1. Any number you can take, check it. N value 4. 4 plus 1, 5 minus of 5. You can take 4 or 5 values. Then you will get clarity. Negation of 7. Negation of 9. Negation of 2. Came not came. But actually internally there is a big story is there, okay? It is a shortcut story, minus of n plus 1. That is not original story. Internally there's a lot of stories there. One find I will explain. Tell me. I will explain as how it is coming. But that is also applicable only. Minus of n plus 1. But internal how it is working, no one can tell. I will reveal that story one fine day. Bitwise complement. Negation of n, those two, minus of n plus 1. And negation of 4, I am going to the minus 5. Sorry, minus 5. Negation of minus 1. You have to tell. ఇదిగోండి వాళ్ళు ఏదో అడిగారు చూడండి negation of minus 1 అంట. Now 0. Minus 2. Error. Already answer came ఇక్కడ. ఇదిగో ఆల్రెడీ ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్. ఇక్కడ ఎవరు మళ్ళీ -2 అన్నారు. ఇదిగోండి నెగేషన్ ఆఫ్ -2 అంట. -2 అయితే సరిపోయిందా సరిపోదా లాజిక్? -2 దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ మైనస్ ఆఫ్ -2 ప్లస్ 1 -2 ప్లస్ 1 -1 మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్. దట్ ఈస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ కంప్లీట్లీ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ఓన్లీ. డోంట్ థింక్ దట్ పైథాన్. ఓకే. So left shift, right shift also, we never use those things, but I will explain what it is. This less than symbol is called as a left shift operator. So only today, first and last, we discuss this bitwise. In entire Python, we never use this bitwise operators and complex number, all those. But why I'm telling means if any written examination purpose, they will use these type of questions. For that purpose only I'm telling all this, because I will show one question in one interview whenever they are going to their written exam they are given. Now see this table. I will open that question. Okay. Tell the answer. 1 minute. I will give that question, sir. Sir, I have that type of multiple choice questions. So many are there. Some 3, 4 chapters completed daily, 2, 3 I will explain. Until that you have to wait. అదేంటి delete అయిపోయింది ఫైల్. So that is the question they are asking. Tell the, they are give options also. See that to tell the answer. So I have 150 to 200 questions are there. This type of questions, all multiple choice questions only. Previous students, whenever they are attending any interviews, they are given the paper. From there I am taken, I prepared. అంటే ఏ ఓకే ఇంకా మేడం ఆన్సర్ బి ఇంకా సి సమ్వన్ ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్ సి వస్తే ఇంకా డి ఒకటి ఉంది అది కూడా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి డి నాది ఆప్షన్ సరే. బి ఈ లేదు అక్కడ. ఈనోరు ఓన్లీ ఏబిసిడి 4 ఆర్ దేర్. దట్ ఈస్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ రేంజ్. ఏమండి వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్? బి. అటేమో ఏ, ఇటేమో బి. ఏ, బి. ఆన్లైన్ ఒక నిమిషం ఆన్లైన్ చెక్ చేద్దాం. ఆన్లైన్ చెప్తా ఉంటారు. బి, 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 బి. ఏ ఒక్కళ్ళు ఇద్దరు ముగ్గురు 4. ఏ 3 చెప్పారు. ఓట్లన్నీ బీకే పడినాయి పోండి. సో బేస్డ్ ఆన్ మెజారిటీ ఓట్స్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ అంతే. ద కరెక్ట్ వన్ ఈస్, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ చెక్ దిస్. లైన్ నెంబర్ 230, 231, V1 1, V2 0. Okay, fine. Now here sir, here in this case 1 XR 0. What is the result? 1. Now V1 will become 1. Okay na? Fine. Now V1 1 XR, what is the V2? 0. Now 1 sir. Now V1 value 1, V2 value 1. Now come to here 1 XR 1. What is the output? Now who is telling B? Where is the stick? So what is the output? A is the correct one. If any doubt is there, what is the answer? A is the correct one. A executed and already. So now you know stars and sorry, so many are there. I have questions. Okay, answers everything will be there later. Certification, interview time, whenever they are going, they are given questions all the. You ఒక క్వశ్చన్ చెప్పండి చాలు బస్. Next, after input output, once flow control completed, you will get clarity. Then daily 2 questions I will explain. This one simple only. Stars. Oh, sorry, you don't know slice. Basic slice operator, you know na? Try it. Whether correct or wrong, no problem. Try it. But once I will explain, definitely you will get it. All these things. అసలు క్వశ్చన్ అర్థం అవట్లేదా? వదిలేయండి అయితే. అర్థం కానప్పుడు వేస్ట్ తీసేయటమే. ఇప్పుడు సినిమాకి వెళ్తాం. వన్స్ వి గో టు ద సినిమా, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓకే హిట్ వీ విల్ సి. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ ఫ్లాప్ మూవీ వీ నీడ్ టు కలాస్ క్లోజ్. అంతే. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్. లాస్ట్ వన్ డి. I will explain. No, don't worry, sir, because that's why I'm telling. Present we are in yeah. PY, no, wrong. Okay, na? So once you will get third chapter input output streams, flow control. If for loops once all completed, definitely I will open it. I will explain one by one. If I'm explaining also you are not getting anything, chod do that story. Sir, now left shift operator, sir. Left shift means simple example. 10 left shift 2. What is the meaning of this one? Simple. Sir, left shift is nothing but, sir, internally, you convert always 10 to the binary number. What is the 10 equivalent binary number? Divide with 2. 5. All 1 0 0s you have to tell. 1 0 is the binary number. If you have, sir, any doubt is there, function is there directly, you can ask bin of 10. What it is? 1 0? Very good. Sir, every number internally represented with by default 8 bits. How many bits? 8. If number is very big number, it will convert it to the 16. Next to 32. Next to 64. This across Dante Python lo such type of terminology is not there. Here only one terminology is there, integer. But in NumPy it is there. Int 8, int 16, int 32. If you know C language, C it is there. Int 8 and int C sharp also. Okay. int 8 to 16, 32, 64, signed bit, unsigned bit. This terminology is there C language, but Python, the terminology is not there. NumPy it is there. I will explain that time. NumPy. Here 10 you can take 8 bits, sir. First bit 0, 0, 0, 0. Because 10 means only 4 bits, 1, 0, 1, 0. Remaining all filled with zeros. Now 1, 0, 1, 0. This is internally represented by memory. Because 8 bit means now I'm asking this symbol means left shift. Left shift, how much am number given? 2. Ante the bits will be moved to the left side. Ante left 2 bits you have to remove, add that 2 to the front side. Ante left side you are moving to. If I'm given 3 bits you can remove, that 3 zeros come to the right side, add. Now tell that number to decimal number. How to calculate decimal number? Simple, man. Here first one 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means 8. 2 power 4, 2 power 5 ante 2 power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 power 5 ante 32. Okay. 32 plus 8, 40. That is the result you will get. Check it. 10 left shift 2. What is the output? 40. But it is not required as no one can ask this one. 40. That is called as left shift. So how much I am given, you can move left side and right side replace with zeros. Then we go with what it is output to 40. Same right shift means right side remove 2 bits, add left side zeros. Right shift operators. Now based on this, you have to tell that did not that much importance are not required also. 10 right shift to 2. Ante right side you can remove 2 zeros, add to left side. 1 0 1 0, remove 1 0, add left side 2 zeros. Last whatever values are there 1 0. 1 0 means, I will show 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. Right shift kabatti you have to remove right side 2 bits, add to the left side. So what is this total value? 1 0 means 2. 2 power 0, 2 power 1. 10, 2. What it is? 2 is there. That is the values we are getting left shape 130 anta. Now the time is 10:20 kada. Sir, if you are not getting also no problem, sir. As no one ask about these things, okay? Don't worry. Sir, can I use booleans? Is it valid? True and false? True or false? True X or false? Negation of true. What is the first one? False. Okay. Second one. Third one. Fourth one. False. The output is -2, not false. True means anta 1. 1 and anta 1 plus 1 2 minus of n plus 1. If any doubt is there, execute, man. Negation and ఏం చెప్పా minus of n plus 1 minus of 1 plus 1 2. That is bitwise operators. So only bitwise operator, this is the mandatories are important. This type of questions will come. This left shift, right shift, no one can ask. Don't worry about that. Next category. What it is? Assignment operators. Whatever assignment operators equal to, plus equal to. Only equal to only. Assignment means we have to assign some value to the variable. How to assign? Equal to. Ade if I'm using double equal to meant for comparison. Okay, equal to meant for assignment, double equal to meant for comparison purpose. For example, sir, I have to provided x equal to 10. What is the value of x? 10. Now, I'm given, sir, y equal to x plus plus. What is the value of y? 11 or 12? 11. X equal 10. 10 plus plus means 11. Correct? 11. 10 and అక్కడ మరి వాట్ ఇస్ ద అవుట్పుట్ 30. అయ్యో, do you know C language and Java? 10 plus plus means what it is? Increment operator. The value will be incremented by 1. So what is the value of the y value? 11 means x plus plus is nothing but increment operator. 10 will be incremented to 1. So, but unfortunately, it is a error into the Python because in Python plus plus operator is not there. In other languages, it is valid. Plus plus meant for increment. Suppose if I am given y equal to x minus minus, nothing but decrement operator. Actually, the value of y should be 9. Previous case value should be 11. But this plus plus minus minus are invalid in case of the Python because increment decrement operators are not there. Sir, but at the time of writing program, compulsory I have to increase the value. The only way is you have to give x equal to x plus 1. Then what is the value? 11. So plus plus minus minus terminology, other languages valid, those are called as increment and decrement. Python, there is no chance x equal to x plus 1 we have to provide it. Or else another way is there. Suppose x equal to 10. Okay, fine. X plus equal to 1. What is the meaning of this one? Means it is also equivalent to this one. What is the meaning? X plus equal to meant for any another arithmetic operator plus assignment operator is called as a compound assignment operator. Because two operators I am combined here, not single one. Plus is a arithmetic operator. Equal to is a assignment operator. If two operators, if I am combined, that is called as compound assignment operator. So shortcut that is also same. This is also same. You can, that is based on your convenient purpose. You can use. Sir, I want to use x equal to x plus 1. Okay. If I want to use this one, x plus equal to 1, both are same. What is the x value? 11 only. Sir, suppose x equal to 10. X plus equal to 10. What is the output? The value of x is 20 because x equal to x plus 10. X value already 10. 10 plus 10. What is the value? 20, sir. That is the meaning of x plus equal to. Same. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి x value ఎంత ఉంది 20. X minus 2, sorry. X minus equal to 2. 18. 20 minus 2. 18. X minus equal to 6. 12. 18 minus 6, 12. So like that it is working. Plus equal to minus equal to called as compound assignment operators. Now please tell x equal to 10 sir, x value 10 sir, y equal to sir plus x. Is it valid? Not valid. Master, valid or not valid? తెలీదని మాత్రం చెప్పకు. Only two options, valid and not valid. Not valid. Yes, correct. Valid only. Valid. What is the value of y? What is the value of the y? It is perfectly valid. See, once I click on enter, if I'm not getting any error, it should be valid. And the value stored something. What is the value of the y? కాదు కాదంట ఎవరో. What is the value of y? 11? 11. Plus means 10 plus 1, 11. Multi plus means 11 plus 1, 12. The value of y is 10 only. The value of y is what it is? 10. ఇదిగోండి ఉంటారు ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ ఐ నో. చూసారా 12 చెప్పారు లేదా? I saw so many students, thousands of people. సరే, now y equal to minus x 9 8 రెండు మైనస్లు కదా. వాట్ ఇస్ ద వాల్యూ? అసలు హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ వర్కింగ్ ఏమో. సింపుల్ సార్. ఇన్ యువర్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ డూ యూ నో? అదిగోండి వచ్చిందా లేదా? వస్తాయి, ఇలాంటివి వస్తాయి సార్. డూ యూ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ గుడ్ వ్యాన్ రోజం అంట. Sir, do you know, sir, why I'm telling all these tells na? These are all silly things, small things only. But whenever you can go to any interview, they're asking these type of questions. And so many people are thinking that both they can ask what is class, what is object oriented, what is inherited. They never ask those things. First, they can ask this type of silly things only. Whenever they are coming to, sometimes I'm taking some interviews here. I'm asking simple questions just to 4 or 5. Then I can identify, no use. In the lab mentors, 90% I selected only the people. I'm asking simple questions only. I'm not asking big questions also. Whenever you can go to any interview, those first written test, very simple. There are 4 options are there. All options are just like same only, but only one is the correct answer is there. I'm doing certification. That's why I know all these things of simple things. So once you're strong in this area, next level, okay. Initially, if I'm writing big programs, no use. Simple matters only here. How it is working here means, do you know, you can ask about logical operators, 10 and 20. They're telling invalid. 4 and 5, invalid. But I will execute it and explain. All are valid cases only. Here, how it is working means, do you know, in your childhood mathematics, these things, plus 10. What is the answer? Plus minus 10. What is the answer? Minus plus 10. Minus 10. మరి ఇవి చెప్పినప్పుడు ఇది కూడా అదే కదా సేమ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ? 10. ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్? ప్లస్ ఇంటూ ప్లస్ 10 ప్లస్ 10. మైనస్ ఎక్స్ అన్న అంటే మైనస్ ఆఫ్ minus 10 ప్లస్ ఓన్లీ. నౌ చెక్ దిస్. y equal to minus plus x. అంటే ఏమవుతుంది ఇది? మైనస్ ఆఫ్ ప్లస్ 10. మైనస్ ఇంటూ ప్లస్ మైనస్ 10. నౌ చెక్ ఇట్. దట్ ఈస్ ద స్టోరీ మరి. నౌ ప్లస్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్. దట్ ఈస్ ద ఇంటర్నల్ స్టోరీ. అంతే, నథింగ్ దేర్. ప్లస్ ఇంటూ ప్లస్, మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ఇంటూ ప్లస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్. దట్స్ ఏ ఫస్ట్ 2 cases I'm getting 10. ఇక్కడ -10. No increment, no decrement operator. But plus plus x, minus minus x, perfectly valid. Don't tell invalid. Okay. That is the cinema of assignment operator. We can use assignment operator to assign a value to the. So actually, yesterday we discussed operators. Today we discussed tomorrow also remaining operators. General to explain these operators, maximum 15 to half an hour is enough. Okay. But internally, so many things are there. That's why it is taking too much time for operators. Oh, 10:32. We can use assignment operator to assign a value to the variable that is equal to. Now, అలా ఎందుకు ఇలా వేద్దాం x equal to 10. Now, we can combine assignment operator with some other operator to form compound assignment operators. Those are example I can give x plus equal to 10. It is same for x equal to x plus 10. Both are same. You can give x plus equal to 10 or x equal to x plus 10. Any arithmetic symbol combination with equal to called as compound assignment operators. Plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, slash equal to, any symbol. Arithmetic plus equal to combination is called as compound assignment. In Python, especially no increment, decrement operators. X plus plus, X minus minus. This terminology is not there. Invalid syntax. Invalid syntax. But plus plus X valid, minus minus X. Plus of plus, minus of minus. That is the meaning of second one. First two invalid cases. Who are the first session? Are you getting it? Thoda thoda. No? కొంచెం కొంచెం. No. Present it is in operators now. Once we go to the data types list to full set, then ascending descending is there. Present here at the time of operators, that type of terminology is not there. Possible. Hi, sir. Hi. Difference between Python and full stack Python. ఏం లేదు బిఫోర్ పైథాన్ యూ కెనాట్ ఫుల్ స్టాక్ దట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ ఫుల్ స్టాక్ పైథాన్ ఇన్ పైథాన్ ఓన్లీ కోర్ అండ్ అడ్వాన్స్డ్ ఈస్ అవైలబుల్ full stack python means total front and back end technologies like in full stack python already demo I explained prasanna in python course only we have to covered about core and advanced bus only logic based programming in case of full stack python we have to write front-end technologies like UI technologies and Python related core Python and advanced Python. After that, framework Django and one REST API. After that, database 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These we have to cover. This is called as full stack Python. Some people are going to the next level data science or React JS, any other courses, then they can go to only Python. If you want to go to develop web application, then you have to go with this full stack Python course. That is the difference. Is there class tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow class is there. Yeah, any holidays there tomorrow? Want to join for DevOps course? Then you have to take only Python. Sunday holiday. Enjoy. Swapnil, Sunday no class. Monday we don't know. Tomorrow we will decide about Monday. Monday holiday is required. Why? Are you have to celebrate 31st night na? First, we will celebrate here. Maximum 90% I think class will be there. And gonna show down. Tomorrow I will tell about Monday class. Advanced Happy New Year. Holiday gives her. Monday 31st night hangover, sir, maybe. I will tell remedy for that hangover, no problem.